In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add and use codes in Sniper Arena on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is get loaded into the game and just stay in the lobby. You don't actually need to be in a match or anything to go ahead and do this. So actually, could someone take me out real quickly? You, please. There we go. So once you're in the lobby itself, just go ahead and select the settings gear up in the top left. It's going to take you to a page that looks like this. Just simply select redeem code, and this is the redeem code page right here. And there is a bunch of different codes you can type in. I recommend searching up our video, All Working Codes 2026, Sniper Arena Roblox, Just Pause. And there is a ton that we go over how to get all these mystic knives, mystic cases, and so much more. So definitely check out that video. But that is how you can actually redeem codes. I think my Roblox just crashed. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And yeah, it looks like my Roblox did crash. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.